Lee's Woodshop. Today project, we're going to make this acorn shaped birdhouse. It comes from the plans from Wood Magazine, April of 1987, issue number 28. Okay, we make it out of just common 2x10s that you get at the Home Center, Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, one of those places. So let's get started. Well, now it's the scary part, turning it. Let's see if we're going to need the speed reducer. We'll bump it a few times, see what happens. Well, that's pretty scary, ain't it? That don't look too bad. Well, there's that. Coffee break. Now we're ready to assemble it. I've put 4 coats of the Minwax Helmsman spar urethane on. I applied it with a brush, as you saw. That's always provided a good outdoor finish for me. I've used it on several of these. And I painted the top with just a Rust-Oleum flat brown paint. One part I neglected to show in the video was the hollowing out of the inside, which simply all it is the number 2 and the number 4 piece are cut with a rectangle in it, and the middle piece, the number 3 piece, is cut with a larger rectangle to allow these keys to fit down in and locate the lid to the top. This makes the top removable so that you can get inside and clean the bird's nest out. From year to year. It has 4 drainage holes in the bottom and 3 ventilation holes in the back. I guess that's to keep it from getting so hot inside. Now this particular birdhouse, the hole and everything, according to the plans, is designed for a wren. Okay, and I don't really know what a wren is. I've never really paid that much attention. I just made it according to the plans. I've made several of these, like I said. Gave a few away as gifts, and I've sold a few. So we're going to go on and get it started and assemble this, and then show you the final project. I've made 2 of these during the course of the video, just because I needed one for a birthday present for someone, and then I just wanted to have a backup in case something happened to the first one. So what we do here is I got match marks, line that up, and slap it together there. I've got it sized fairly loose to allow for the contraction of the expansion and the contraction of the wood, you know, for the seasons. I don't really recommend leaving it out all year. I tell people to put it up in the fall so it's not out in the winter. So there you have it. Just a piece of rope or leather, whatever you want for to hang it with. There's a 1/4-inch hole in the top. I've taken wood putty and filled in where my drive center and where my live center was. So that's it. Just a simple project to show you some of the capabilities of the SHOPSMITH lathe.